morning, everyone. Shoutout po sa ating mga official. Ayan, sila SK Kagawad, SKs Cyril and SK Kagawad Jenny Abayon. So muna yan ang ating ibatihin SK Chairman Brian De La Cruz of our Barangay Santa Lucia SK Councils. This is the basketball tournament 2025 mini division, green team versus the light blue team. Good luck, boys. Yung team parehas na to, Magka Brothers. Let's go. Alfonso. Meron makukuha ng light blue ang bola. Ayan na, number 31. Take a shot, basket by number 31. Alemany. First basket para sa light blue. Oh, steal. Alemany. Nagmamadali. Pinasa. Tumira, short. Vigoro, jump shot. Too strong. Rebound by Panesares. Oy. Bad pass. Bola rito ng light blue. Let's go. Malubay. Go Kendrick. Ubus oras. Panalo na, no? 2-0. Malubay. Running shot. Too strong. Makukuha ni Gap. Felipe. Oy, number 71. Wala. Magkalaban pala dito ang magkapatid. Si Kendrick saka si Gap. Hey, shout out Gap. Let's go. Alemany attacking the basket. Steal by Alfonso. Pass to Panesares. James all the way. Uy! Ganda naman ng pagkakalihap doon ni James. And their first basket para sa green. Nagmula yan para kay James Panesares. Number 7. Running shot. No good. Shoutout din. Nandito na. Number 71, basket. Ayan, no? Shoutout sa Alub-Alub, sizzling hog by Coach Kobe Pedragosa. Uy, nakabawi. Tabla tayo. Panes, that is a Rombines. Rombines, running shot, short. Out of bounds, bola rito ng light blue. Alemany. Setting on the screen. Alemany, running shot, no good. Maua. Out of bounds. Alemany, yes sir. By Alemany, jersey number 31. Change favor. James, running shot, no good. James, wala pa rin. Alfonso. Pass to James. Wala pa rin. To Alfonso. Wala. Rebound by Rombines. Rombines. Running shot. No good. Ryan na, basket by James. Tabla tayo sa 6. Ayan na, Uy, what a move. Number 7, running shot. No good. Rebound by Pedrogosa. Ayan na, number 71. Basket yan. By Jaden Pedrogosa. Time out. Nasok na si Shankel. And running. Uy, paso pala yun. Ayan na si Pedrogosa. Fade away shot, no good. Hey, number 2. Wala pa rin eh. Steal by Light Blue. Number 31, running shot. Wala. Pedrogosa. Steal. Alemany all the way. No good. Rebound by Shankel. Nice shot by Pedrogosa. Paso Alemany, binigay. Number 12, running shot, no good. Ayun na si Drake, si Kalarki. Saita, let's go. Saita, short. No good. Number 7, no good. Ayun na si Clark. Uy! Basket by Clark. Saita. Alemany. Good, rebound by Clark. Short. Basket by Pedrogosa. Alemany, pass to number 12. End of the first quarter, official score 14-8 in favor of the Green Team. Natin ang hadal ni Coach, former SK Kagawad Quaresma. Second quarter tayo. Let's go. Let's go! Running shot, yes sir! Jersey number 23. Rombines all the way. Basket is good. Uy, shoutout.
Kay Jeboy Florida.
Wala pa isa dyan.
Wala po, babae lahat.
Kaya susunod din eh. Pumasok ba? Pumasok na. Ayan na si number 23. Hold. Let's go! Nakasaw pa! Eh, uy! Yes, sir! Shoutout kay Jai. Hey, Kuya Jai.
Boses, iskagab-gab! Boses, iskagab-gab!
Uy! Rombines! Wala. Rebound by Aponso. Hindi na binigay.
Eli, ba't tayo masigab-gab, Eli?
Ayun na. Let's go, Marcus! Hernandez! Uy! Basket yan! Let's go! Ayan si Ka, shoutout Tito.
Patay mo ka, patay mo!
Tito Binky. Uy! Nako pa! Nasaktan! Oo, nangyari kay Mami Shimi.
Ubad na, paano subad? Boses, get the ball!
Ayan na si Rocco. Uy, no good. James, no good. Panesares. I'm out. Light blue.
Kyrie, pasok na, Kyrie!
22-16. 14.
Shoutout kay Jeboy Florida.
Pare, thank you, thank you. 22-14 po ang ating score. Gap! Ano ginawa mo na? Umad na daw sa sapatos. Joke lang. Ayan na. Hernandez. Moses. Si Moses naman ang papakitang gilas. Uy, isa pa. Si Marcus naman. Yun! Yes, sir! Kay Marcus Hernandez. Ayan, no? Shoutout po sa pamilya Hernandez. Ayan, kay classmate Shimi Hernandez and Jesse Hernandez. Okay, lakad na! Go, go, go! Go na! Hey, let's go! Ayun na ulit si Marcus. Yes, sir! Felipe Gop, short. Basket by Pedragosa. Pedragosa. Basket by Pedragosa. Short. Gob, ayan na si Gob. Uy. Yes, sir. Let's go, Marcus. Ito pa si Marcus Orin. Marcus! Uy! Ayan na si Clarkie. Let's go, Clarkie. Hinahabol na magkapatid. Uy, steal. Ayan na si Gab. Ay! Nabitawan ang bola ni Gab. Seconds na lang ba? Hernandez, Marcus. Ayan na. Let's go. Sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Green Team. Official score 32 and 24. Dami siya may okay, halftime tayo. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat ng nanonood nating live. Sa mga nag-share po, maraming salamat. Third quarter tayo, maya-maya lamang. Post up. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter. Let's go, third quarter. Green daw, green. James. Venus running shot, basket. Saita, ay sorry, that's Alemani. Uy. Ooh, too strong. Rebound by Alfonso. Basket by Alfonso. Go Alemani. Running shot. No good. Rebound by James. Layup. James. Alemani, pass to number 7, running shot, short. Kendrick, no good. Isa pa. Oy, short. Let's go, Kendrick! Run! Venus attacking the basket, no good. Rebound dito ng Green, short. Out of bounds. Ito ng green. Rombines, no good. Oh, still. Ayan na si Bashir. Ooh! Nice shot by jersey number 7, Picoro. Ayan na sa kabila, no good. Rebound by Kendrick. No good. Rombines. Basket by Rombines. Picoro ulit. Uy, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola ng green. Uy, mati ka na mag-house, James. Gusto Rombines. Uy, no good. James sa corner. Pedragosa. Throw. Too strong. Bashir nagmamadali. Let's go, Bashir. Derecho. Yeah, no good. Uy, bad pass. Naka-recover. Steal by James. Uy. No good. Rebound by Kendrick. Let's go, Kendrick. Oh, steal. Alfonso. Wala. Rombines. Using the board. Nice shot by Rombines. And shout out po sa pamilya Rombines na napaka-supportive sa kanilang mga anak. Ayan, rebound by Alfonso. The big man. Ayan na. Uy, yes sir. It's good. 44-26. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng light blue. Uy, huwag ka na maglaro. Joke lang. Pasa mo sa ano? Sa mga maliliit, pre. Kabila. Bashir all the way. No good. Si Clarkie, side! Ay, love. Nice shot by Excited. Oh, Bashir. Up. No good. Clarkie, wala. Running shot, basket. Felipe, wala. Uy. Uy. Ayan na, si Jai. Rocco. Let's go, Rocco. Rocco all the way. No good. Isa pa. One more try. Let's go, Rocco. Yes, sir. Shoutout po kay Brother Jai. Okay, sa corner, short. Bashir with the rebound. Uy! Uy, behind the back. Ayan na. No good. Number 4 basket by Rocco. No good. Rebound by Bashir. Pass to Alemani. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Wala pa rin. Huddle ni Coach Quaresma. Okay, fourth quarter tayo. Ay, Brother Jer. Kamusta? Shoutout, shoutout. Fourth quarter, hey, shoutout. Paano mo? Ay ka muna, ay. Ay. Santiago, ay ano na no? Sino to? Sa Burol, sa Santiago?
Oo, kakanak ni Jai.
Jai? 4. Santiago?
Santiago, anak ni Sani.
Sani, di ba?
Boss Jai, yung 4.
50-37. Eh, galingan nyo mamaya ha. Parang nahalamig ka. Doon kayo sa gilid, doon kayo sa gilid. Tatabakan ito. Okay, fourth quarter tayo. Game na. Marcus. Let's go, Marcus. Ayan na, si Marcus. Uy, no good. Isa pa. Uy, wala. Si brother dito, brother naman. Hernandez. Uy. Isa pa daw. Unlimited dyan. Uy. Marcus, the big brother. Yes, sir. 50-39. Uy. Pedragosa. Jaden. Let's go, Marcus. Dito daw sa spotting niya. Spot niya yan eh. Yan sa spot sa gitna. Let's go, Marcus. Short. Basket. Rombines. No good. Sa pa, Rombines. Oh, still. Marcus. Pasa mo daw sa little one. Uy. Rombines basket. Let's go, Marcus. Go, 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 go. Uy. Let's go. Ayan na. Isa pa. Let's go. Oy, wala pa rin. Isa pa. Hernandez Jr. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Let's go. One more try. Kay Marcus naman, kay Marcus. Let's go, Marcus. Hey! Bigay mo pa, bigay mo pa. Ayan na, bigay. Ayan na, sabla naman si Clarky. Uy, wala. Uy. Oh, steal! Let's go, Hernandez! Let's go! Moses! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Ayan na si Tito Binky! Hey, make shot! Uy! Isa pa, isa pa! Let's go! Isa pa! Uy! Ay! Pagod na, isa pa, isa pa! Let's go, Moses! Oy! Ayan na! Uy! Another one! Mingal na! Let's go! Si Marcus naman! Uy! Wala! Uy! Basket by number 10. Siyam na lang, siyam na lang. 5 remaining. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Tala, naka-comment ako. Let's go! Ayan na. Number 7. No good. Rebound by Gap. Uy, may bola. Basket. Mas ba? Ay, hindi. Let's go, Bashir! Nasa corner. Jump shot. No good. Kendrick. Let's go, Kendrick! Ayun na, uy! Magkapatid! Yes, sir! Ayan na si Clarky, no good. Let's go, Kendrick! Oh, steal by Petragosa. To Saita! Wala! Let's go! Picoro. Dire-diretso. Stop and pump. No good. Number 2 naman. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Pinasa na lang kamay. Uy, fade away. Wala. Rebound by Gab. Ay, nasa Gab-Gab. Nagmamadali. Piligay kay Saita. Saita. Rebound by Robines. Piligay. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Kendrick. Let's go. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Running shot. Uy, no good. Let's go. Wagner. 10 seconds na ba? Hindi pala naman, sorry. Picoro. Short. Steal by Bashir. Running shot. No good. Pedragosa, Jaden. Pass to Gab-Gab. Ay, nasa Gab-Gab. Oh, magkalaban. Oh, 1-on-1 ang game. Oh, ready? Uy! Uy! Oh! Steal! Let's go, Kendrick! All the way! Why? Another one! Oh, isa pa, Kend! Shoot mo na! Pedragosa! Last 40 seconds. Oh, steal! Bashir! Uy, nice crossover! Bashir, wala! Time na ba? Time na? Page siya kaya? Page. Hindi, John Paolo Florida. John Paolo Florida. Okay, a nice game and congratulations to our winning team, ang green team. Ayan, no? Alright, final score natin, 54-47. Panalo po ang Green Archer or the Green Hill City. And a nice game para sa kanilang light blue. Our player of the game, jersey number 71, Jaden Pedragosa. Congratulations. Ayan po, tops lang mga taga Hill City dito. And shoutout pare, shoutout ka muna, shoutout. Tayo gusto shoutout pare. Good luck mamaya ha. Oh, shoutout ka, shoutout.
Wala.
Congratulations. And a nice game from both team. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong pananood.